How to add custom control for a node in Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. In the Fusion page, drag a Text Plus node and connect it to the media out. Right-click on the text node and choose Edit Controls. Give it a name, and set its type to number. Here you can choose in which tab you want to show your control. These are actually the tabs that you can see in the Inspector panel. Here I choose Text to add this control in the Text tab. Set the default value. Check if this control only accepts integer values. Here I want to allow user to choose a value between 0 and 1000. Change input control to slider control and click OK. Now this control is added at the bottom of the Text tab. It is a slider with a default value of 500 which only accepts integer numbers and can be changed between 0 and 1000. Now let's use this control. Move the playhead to the start and click on diamond button next to it. Move the playhead a little forward and increase it to 1000. Right-click on the text area and choose Expression. Click on this plus button and drag it onto your control.